Foundation Incorporated. Please welcome Mr. Angel De Leon.
Mayang gabi sa tanan. Very exciting afternoon and good evening as well to our Honorable Mayor Risa Treñas, and of course to the parish priest of Parroquia de San Jose, Father Nelson Cedra, and the representative of the governor, Dr. Banyas, representing the province of Iloilo, and to all our partners in the Kasadyan Festival and the Iloilo government and dedicated members, trustees of the Iloilo Foundation, Festival Foundation. To all our sponsors and media partners, and to the heart of the celebration in the entire Ilonggo community. We are gathered today to ignite the spirit, the devotion, and the magnificent energy of the 2026 Iloilo Dinagyang Foundation, together with the Kasadyahan Festival. It is in this extraordinary moment, as we launch the years of the Dinagyang edition, the following year was a historical triumph, because just last month, the Iloilo Dinagyang Festival 2024 brought immense pride to our city for being the grand prize winner, the best cultural festival at the prestigious 2025 Ato Pearl Award. That award is not merely a trophy. It is an affirmation of our collective faith, a rich cultural heritage, a world-class artistry of our performers, and the unwavering spirit of the Ilonggo people. It is a testament to the beautiful fusion of faith and culture that we offer to the world. For 2026, we will not rest on our laurels. We build upon this legacy of excellence. I am thrilled to formally announce that the main festivals of our grand cultural and prestige and religious celebration will take place starting on Friday, which is the illumination of January 2023, and Saturday, January 24, for the spectacular Kasadyahan Festival, and on Sunday, January 2025, the main Dinagyang Ati Tribe competition. The Dinagyang Festival remains a solemn celebration on our faith on the Señor Santo Niño, and a vibrant commemoration of our history and enduring pact between the indigenous people and the Malaya settlers. As we prepare, we welcome back both local and international visitors. We renew our commitment to showing Iloilo as the country's festival queen. The theme of the Dinagyang 2026, Bugay sang Ginoo, Bugal sa mga Ilonggo, which is translated as Blessings of the Lord, Pride of the Ilonggos. It is a celebration of gratitude to divine pride of the Ilonggo people, to their culture and devotion to Señor Santo Niño. The Kasadyahan Festival is a partnership with the provincial government. We once again display the diverse, rich, and cultural tapestry of the entire province of Iloilo. A genuine festival of festivals that truly highlights the beauty of the whole province. To our Dinagyang performers, tribes, and choreographers, our musicians, to the very single Ilonggo takes ownership of the celebration, you are the reason for our global recognition. I call upon you all to join us once more, to pour your heart and soul in this, making it the 2026 Dinagyang Ikasadyan Festival the most memorable and award-winning yet. Let the rhythm and pulsating beats of the drums begin. Let the vibrant colors fill our streets. Let the fervor shouts, Viva Santo Niño, Halabira, Iloilo. Thank you and good evening. Welcome.
Thank you very much, Mr. Angel De Leon Jr., our ever dynamic president.